Hey there and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered who has been watching your Snapchat stories? Well, today we are going to show you how to find out. It's a quick and easy process, so let's jump right in. First, open your Snapchat app on your device. You can do this by tapping on the Snapchat icon. Now create a story by taking a photo or video and adding it to your story. Make sure it's posted and live for at least 24 hours. After your story is live, swipe up on your story screen. This will reveal the list of people who have viewed your story. In the list of viewers, you will see who has rewatched your story. These are the people who found your content so interesting and they wanted to see it again. And that's it. You have now learned how to see who rewatched your Snapchat stories. It's a neat way to know who is engaging with your content. Keep in mind that this feature works for public stories, not private ones. So if you're curious about your followers' engagement, consider using public stories. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.